Join the community of more than 2 million Binomists who are investing online with Binomo. Start trading today with Binomo.
Ajay sir! Ajay sir!
Thank you so much, guys. Please give it up for the lovely girls who danced. And now, please give it up for Sarah. I think she's done a brilliant job with this song. Please Alright, time for a few questions now. I know we've had a lot of dance music. I want to know a lot of things from you. Firstly, tell me, how is this experience of coming back to college with seeing real people in front of you after 2 long years?
Amazing. It's amazing, and I just want you to know this is the first time, and maybe like one of the only times I'm going to see this song like on a big screen.
Wow.
So genuinely, thank you guys for making this possible for me. I do this for you guys. I love my job a lot, but I can't deny that a really large part of it is to be able to come and see young people, old people, girls, boys just laugh and have fun and enjoy themselves. And y'all are the people that motivate and inspire me to do anything that I do. So, truly, thank you.
Sarah, before you came, I think a lot of people, they just had this one dialogue that they were saying. They said, Namaste Darshako.
Namaste, Darshako.
That's wonderful. But Sarah, how was it working with 3 powerhouses? We had Dhanush sir, we had Akshay Kumar sir, and of course, the very, very talented Anand L. Rai sir. How was this experience? What is so different about this film that you've never done? What is so different about the character that you've never played?
I think the like Bihari dialect is new. Throwing bottles is new. My first solo song is new. All of it is new. I think that Anandji is just the most loving, he's just superb. He's so emotional and he just makes you understand exactly what the character is feeling and helps you get that to life. Dhanush sir is Thalaiva of the South, as we know.
Absolutely, yeah.
Akshay sir is Thalaiva of the North, which I used to call him. And it was just so inspiring, you know, so much energy, such positivity. I mean, Akshay sir is one of the biggest stars ever. Dhanush sir is a national award winner. It was just great to be able to be on that set. It was a privilege in and of itself. And this song, I mean, Shreya ma'am, Vijay sir, my choreographer, Irshad sir's lyrics, Rahman sir's music, I can't believe this is me. Like, I'm in shock. I'm like, what? Really?
This is wonderful. And I must say, with the kind of people that have been involved in this project, I'm sure it's a wonderful feeling.
Thank
And
you.
it's going to take you places. We can already see that the
God
way
willing.
you've evolved as an actor, the way you've evolved as a human being, your humility, it speaks volumes. So thank you so much
Thank you.
for doing what you do and inspiring a lot others in being like you. My next question to you is, of course, very simple. When you have people like Akshay Kumar, when you have people like Dhanush sir, when there's someone like A.R. Rahman's music, does it inspire you or do you feel a little intimidated? कि यार कैसे करेंगे?
You have to meet these people in real life. Dhanush sir, Akshay sir, Anand sir, ऐसा लगता नहीं है कि मतलब ये दिग्गज सितारों के बीच एक नई लड़की आई है. They are so warm, so welcoming, so encouraging, so inspiring. मतलब I couldn't have asked for a better team at all.
And I think all that result has shown. We can see it in the trailer, and I'm sure we're going to be seeing it in the movie as well. Can we please give it up for Atrangi Dev once?
Thank you for all your love and watch the film on Christmas.
Yes, it's streaming from the 24th of December exclusively on Disney Plus Hotstar. But Sarah, your fans, they really want to talk to you. They want to ask a lot of questions to you. So we gave them an opportunity. We've had people in the audience who want to ask a few questions. So yes, can you guys kindly raise your hands and we're going to be giving you an opportunity to ask your questions. Can we have a mic that is passed on there? Yes? Yes.
So my question was, how was your college experience, and is there any particular fun incident that you remember?
College was a blast, as you guys know, I'm sure. I think the best part of it was living alone. I think that I learned so much on just like being on my own. I missed India a lot, I missed mom a lot. But I think college was just amazing. There's not one thing I can point out. But I'll tell you this, that I went to college to study law. And I did an acting course there. And I participated in a play there. And that's what changed my life. Which is why I'm here right now. Because I decided I want to act. That happened in college.
There's a lot of people here. I know a lot of my friends who really look up to you, who want to be like you in one way or the other. If you had to give them a piece of advice to just make it big in whatever field they want, what will it be?
Don't want to be like anybody. That person already exists. Be you, be honest to who you are, and work hard, because all dreams that are really wanted do come true at the right time.
Alright, Tara, I just want to thank you for doing this.
Thank you so much.
Before we
for
let you
having
go,
me.
we've got a few activities planned.
Activities?
Yes. I request Yashmi Guneja, who's our chairperson, to kindly hand it over to Sarah. Can we, yes, can we quickly have the team, yes, can we have a picture, yeah. Alright, thank you so much guys, thank you. One more surprise before we let you go. I'm going to request Ayush and Yash, who are the co-owners of Rolling Bullet Entertainment, to kindly come up on stage. And Chronicle Ventures, Tanda, should we please have you here? Yes. They're the ones who made this event possible. Please give them a huge round of applause.
Thank you.